Hey, plant lovers! Welcome back to where we celebrate calm, cozy corners filled with leaves, roots, and little life lessons. Now, let's be honest. Life gets busy. We forget. We travel. We get caught up in the everyday. And sometimes our plants sit quietly in the corner, thirsty, waiting. But good news! Not every plant demands constant attention. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing indoor plants that barely need watering and still love you back. If you're a home gardener like me, juggling house chores, work, and a growing plant family, these beauties are about to make your life so much easier. Let's get started. A loyal, tough plant every home gardener should own. Sansevieria's tall, sword-like leaves hold water inside, meaning it thrives on neglect. Watering once every 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes longer in winter. Bonus for plant lovers, it's one of the best air-purifying plants, filtering toxins while you sleep. Perfect for bedrooms. Here's a tip: it loves being root-bound, so no rush to repot. If you want a plant that practically takes care of itself, meet the Jade Plant. With thick, shiny leaves growing from underground rhizomes, it hoards water like a little secret. Watering every 2 to 3 weeks. Why home gardeners adore it. Can survive in dark corners, low humidity, and even neglect. A plant that forgives. Quick tip: wipe its leaves for that irresistible shine. More than a plant, it's a healer. Aloe Vera's thick, spiky leaves store moisture, making it a low-water gem for your sunny windowsill. Watering every 2 to 4 weeks is enough. Here is why gardeners love it. Snap a leaf for its soothing gel. It's good for burns, skin care, and even plant first aid. It loves bright light and morning sun, but not harsh midday sun. The classic water miser. Cacti have adapted to some of the harshest places on Earth, storing water in their thick, spiny bodies, watering once every 3 to 4 weeks. It's a home gardener's joy. A collection of mini cacti can turn a small shelf or windowsill into a sunlit desert corner. Tip: always use well-draining, sandy soil for growing cacti. Jade plant or Crassula ovata, often confused with elephant bush or portulacaria. It is also called the money plant or friendship tree. Its thick, glossy leaves are like little water tanks, keeping it happy even when you forget. Watering every 2 to 3 weeks. Why do plant lovers keep it? Well, it's easy to propagate. Just snip a leaf, let it dry, and plant it. And here's a feng shui tip. Place it by the entrance for good fortune. Ah, a plant with personality. It's not a true palm, but a drought-hardy succulent with a thick, bulbous trunk that stores water. Watering is needed every 3 to 4 weeks. Why do home gardeners fall for it? That ponytail of fine, strappy leaves makes it a lively, cheerful addition to any room. Here's a bonus tip. It's virtually unkillable. The ultimate beginner's vine. One of the easiest plant. Pothos. It has heart-shaped leaves that trail down bookshelves, window frames, or hanging baskets. Watering is every 1 to 2 weeks, but it's incredibly forgiving. Why do gardeners love it? It's fast-growing, easy to propagate, and super adaptable. From bright spots to shady corners. Pro tip: cut long vines for fuller growth. Bold, elegant, and surprisingly easygoing. Its large, glossy leaves store moisture, and it loves being left alone between drinks. Water. Every 2 to 3 weeks is sufficient, but if kept outdoors in summers, it may need more. This rule applies to most of the plants. Water requirements change with the placement of plant as well as the season. Why home gardeners adore rubber plant. It makes a big statement in a room without being fussy. Here's a pro tip. Clean its leaves for better light absorption. A small but mighty succulent. Think of it like Aloe Vera's little cousin. Haworthias are compact, with fleshy patterned leaves that hold water. Watering every 2 to 3 weeks. Why it's perfect for home gardeners. It fits perfectly on desks, bedside tables, or kitchen counters without hogging space. Fun fact: they bloom delicate white flowers in summer. True to its name, nearly indestructible. Cast iron plant has deep green lush leaves. It survives low light, poor soil, and missed waterings without complaint. Water every 2 to 3 weeks. Why plant lovers keep it? Adds lush, leafy texture to rooms that other plants won't tolerate. Extra tip, it's great for vintage or classic themed homes. C. Not every plant in your home needs to be high maintenance. These plants are perfect for real, busy, slightly forgetful plant lovers like us. They give you lush green corners, purify your air, and create peace in your space, without asking for too much in return. A little plant wisdom: before you water, feel the soil. If it's dry, water. If it's damp, leave it. Simple, right? If you loved this plant-loving moment together, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to, and share it with your plant-loving friends. Let's grow this green family together. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your plants, and stay rooted.